yung plano ng Diyos sa simula pa, no, na bakit mayroong sakramento ng kasal na nagsasamang lalaki at babae, sabi sa atin, sila'y nagiging isa. No? Hindi na sila dalawa kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life with all that I have.
Baby, ito ang umpisa ng pahina ng ating libro bilang mag-asawa. Susulat tayo ng isang makabuluhang aklat hanggang sa dulo ng ating buhay. I promise to be the best version of a man as your husband and father to our children. I love you so much, Joshane. I love you to Kelvin.
Choose you. This is more than just a wedding.
Forever starts today.
Into
Enjoy the small acts. I love you.
With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he
Mi amor. Of all the walks we have taken, this one will be my favorite. As we begin this journey from beginning to end, I'm so thankful I have you as my true love and best friend. Our forever starts today.
say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will when the sky turns black and he comes back.
Joshane, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark Kelvin na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Every breath we
Mark Kelvin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Joshane na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umaasang inyong arugain na masupling na ipagkakalob ng buong may kapal upang sila niyong palakin bilang mabubuting mamayanang Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father.
look into my eyes, dear, 'cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for
Kami po yung magkaayos ng kalooban at damdamin mula ngayon sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, you.